popular pickup trucks like the Mazda BT50 have come to represent adaptability, toughness, and performance. The BT50 was created in partnership with Ford as part of a joint venture and debuted in 2006. The majority of you didn't subscribe to our channel before watching the video, so do so now for more videos. The B-Series trucks, which Mazda had been making since the 1960s, were the ancestors of the BT50. Mazda's dedication to building dependable and capable workhorses for both commercial and private use was demonstrated by the first-generation BT50. The BT50 quickly became well-liked in numerous markets all over the world thanks to its sturdy design and strong engine choices. Mazda kept enhancing the BT50's styling, comfort, and technological features as time went on. The BT50 is a mid-size pickup truck that has established itself as a flexible machine, suitable for both off-road excursions and regular city driving. Its standing in Mazda's illustrious automotive history has been cemented by its reputation for dependability and performance, making it a sought-after option for both individuals and businesses. As we compare two pickup truck titans, the Mazda BT50 and Ford trucks, get ready for an epic showdown. These workhorses are renowned for their effectiveness, adaptability, and toughness. So let's enter the ring and see how they compare to one another. Performance, both the Mazda BT50 and Ford trucks offer impressive levels of power and performance. A formidable force on and off the road, the BT50 offers a variety of strong diesel engines that produce exceptional torque and acceleration. While offering a range of power levels to suit various needs, Ford trucks, on the other hand, feature a variety of engine options from effective EcoBoost engines to massive V8 powerhouses. Style and design, the Mazda BT50 exhibits a fusion of elegance and toughness in terms of design and styling. Everywhere it goes, its slick lines, bold grille, and premium finishes turn heads. The iconic designs of Ford trucks include a variety of daring and aggressive styling cues that give them a commanding presence on the road. Ambiance and comfort, the Mazda BT50 and Ford trucks both have inviting and well-designed interiors when you step inside. The BT50's roomy interior, high-quality materials, and practical design make for a relaxing and enjoyable driving experience. With their attention to detail, Ford trucks provide comfortable seating, lots of storage, and cutting-edge technology that keeps you connected and amused on long trips. The ability to tow the Mazda BT50 and Ford trucks demonstrate their prowess in terms of capability and towing. The BT50 can handle heavy payloads and tow sizable loads thanks to its durable construction and carefully engineered chassis. Ford trucks, known for their ability to tow, provide impressive towing capacities and cutting-edge features like integrated trailer brake controllers and trailer sway control that simplify towing. Technology and security in both the Mazda BT50 and Ford trucks, safety comes first. Modern safety features like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and autonomous emergency braking are included in the BT50, giving you peace of mind while driving. Modern safety technology is incorporated into Ford trucks, such as forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and a number of driver assistance features that put your safety first. Value and cost. Let's now discuss cost and worth. With its performance, features, and refinement at a competitive price, the Mazda BT50 presents a compelling package. Ford trucks have a wide range of trim levels and options to suit a variety of needs and preferences, making them suitable for a wide range of budgets. Boosted fuel efficiency, the Mazda Sky Active technology, which aims to maximize fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance, is incorporated into the BT50. With the help of this technology, fuel economy can be increased, saving you money at the pump and lowering your environmental impact. Durability and dependability, the BT50 is no exception to Mazda's reputation for dedication to quality and dependability. It is a trustworthy option for both work and play because it is designed to withstand challenging conditions and is built to be dependable and durable.